In this video, I'll walk you through on how to create and edit a Zoho contact directly from WhatsApp using Eazybe. First, open the WhatsApp chat of the person you want to add to Zoho. Click on the Zoho icon. On the right sidebar of the Eazybe extension, click on Zoho icon. Go to Contact section. In the Zoho pop-up, click on the Contact header to access the contact details. Fill in the details. Enter the necessary details. If you need to edit any field, click on the Edit button to update the user properties. Once everything is filled in, click the Create Contact button. Your contact is now saved in Zoho. View contact in Zoho. To check the contact in Zoho, click on View Contact in Zoho inside the contact profile. Editing a Zoho contact. Open the WhatsApp chat of the contact you need to edit. In the right sidebar, under the Profile section, find the contact card and click Edit. Update the contact details. A pop-up will appear. Here you can modify details, update properties, and mark fields as required or optional. Save changes. Click Apply to update the contact card. Then click Save. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.